Welcome back again to day 4 at GITEX with StarLink Pulse, where we continue to have conversations with the inspiring leaders of our industry. Joining us now is Yacine Kherbane, the VP Marketing for EMEA at Nutanix. Welcome. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
So how's GITEX been going for you?
So far, so good. We are really pleased to be around. We are exhibiting at GITEX in 7 years now, and every year it's a new journey. Lots of conversation, lots of enthusiasm, lots of interest around everything happening in the region, in our IT industry, so glad to be here again.
I'm glad that you're enjoying it till now. First of all, I want to congratulate you for Nutanix being named for the first time by Gartner as a visionary in the 2021 Magic Quadrant for distributed files and object storage. It's a long title.
It's a long one.
So congrats again. So tell me, how important is this announcement to Nutanix?
I think even on our end, we were heavily surprised being recognized by Gartner, and I think we have to thank our customers who since a couple of years are partnering with us, using our products. And it's true that in that space, over the time, we develop objects and files to enable our customers to get better in the way they look at the data, the unified data, the distributed data, and more especially since the last couple of quarters with COVID and that boom that we are seeing, in the ransomware space. I think having the ability to provide a single platform where they can monitor or track and see challenges and breach they may have is providing great values to our customers and enable them to act and react much faster.
So, Yacine, as a multi-cloud solutions provider, what do you think are the key points organizations need to keep in mind in order to deploy a robust multi-cloud strategy?
I think around that space it really varies from an organization to another. I think what's most important is to understand where their transformational journey wants to bring them to, and then from that start with the foundation, which is having already a modern infrastructure in place that will enable them to grow and develop their long-term strategy. Out of that, then there's several different components they need to take into account. First, people, how the organization is structured today, what is their strategy long-term in the edge, all across markets they are covering, but also services they want to deliver to their customers. I think if we look at those several dimensions with them, then we will be able to properly support them and being seen as an advisor on their transformational journey.
So let's talk about the tech alliance between Nutanix and Citrix, since we know that this alliance has always been a huge cross-selling opportunity. So can you tell us more about the recent announcement about the two companies joining hands to deliver remote work solutions which can be deployed across private and public clouds?
Yeah, I think the outcome of more than 7-8 years of partnership already with Citrix, where, Nutanix, the first solution area where Nutanix did their first experiences and went back to market was in the end-user computing space. Then out of that, what we are seeing is with this shift of enterprises moving from the on-premise to hybrid to multi-cloud, they were looking at a vendor in the market that Citrix can partner with to be able to move their workloads, whatever the cloud strategy is. So this is what we announced and reinforced. On the other side, also Nutanix is pushing and recommending Citrix as the end-user computing enterprise platform certified on their workspace. So I think we are doing good progress on that space.
Yeah, very strong alliance between you two. And also our partners would like to know about the key benefits of the Nutanix Elevate partner program. So can you please tell us more about it?
Yeah, so I think Nutanix is a 100% driven channel company, and that's the way we are built, that's the way we are seeing the future. And along that journey, even if we started this transformation journey and shift to subscription, we want to make sure that along that journey with our partner ecosystem, we continue to work together, make sure that we help them to package solutions and services to be even closer to their customers, but also in line with the market trends. So Elevate is helping and putting lots of resources in investments, enablement programs to help our partner ecosystem to grow and develop with us in that new journey that we are engaging on.
Right, and now coming towards the end of our interview, would you like to make any final comment or maybe talk about future initiatives for the region that we should look out for?
Yeah, so as I said at the beginning, we started developing the region back to 2013-14. There were only a couple of guys here. I think what's important for us as a company is to continue to grow, understand the customers all across the region, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and a couple of other countries. And I think it's great. I think we are really lucky having partners committed, but also large and big alliances around us to continue to support the business in that region.
Thank you, Yacine Kherbane, VP Marketing for EMEA at Nutanix.
Thanks to you.
Thank you. Make sure to stay tuned for more conversations with our leaders at GITEX, and I'll see you later.